Hey guys, it's actually late Thursday night, but you are listening or watching this Friday morning. It is Good Friday. Happy upcoming Easter. I hope everyone has a blessed weekend and enjoy next week with spring break. You enjoy it or you deserve it. So please make sure you rest up. Um, so yesterday, if you are looking right here, I messed up when I was assigning you the escape room. You can still do it, but I'm not getting any feedback from your answers. So it's really going to be an honor system. When you complete it and you escape, I need you to send me an email. Do not respond here because I don't check these comments. Send me an email that says, I escaped. This is going to be, you get 100 if you email me and let me know. It's that simple. But if you lie, it's totally on your conscience, not mine. So make sure you do that. So there's no new assignments for today. We started the escape yesterday. You only have math today if you've not finished your escape, or if you've not sent me an email to tell me you escaped, or if you have any missing work. And that was my other announcement, is I have sent emails to people with missing work. So make sure you check your email today. If you don't have an email from me, then you're all good. And this is only for the last 2 weeks. I didn't even bother the first 2 weeks. I didn't take the time to do that. So your missing assignments, you have through spring break to get those turned in. And then the Monday we return, I'll be writing down grades and you will not be able to access anything else. So make sure you get that done. That's pretty much all for today. So if you are all caught up, you've sent me an email, you escaped, then you're good for today. I hope you enjoy your break and stay safe. Don't do anything stupid that would require you to go to the emergency room, because we don't want to go to the hospital right now. And I love you guys and happy Easter.